You saved an email to your desktop, but if you don't have Outlook installed, double-clicking this does nothing. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is a free viewer that lets you read the message and attachments. Here's a professional insight. For those EML files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced, non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. The underlying technology places the EML firmly in the email file collection. The composition is based on the email message file type. The EML file is an industry-standard file format for saving a single email message. It functions as a plain text file that contains the complete message body, attachments, and email headers from, to, subject, date in a universal readable format. The format follows the RFC 822 standard. Its design rules are based on a simple MIME, multi-purpose Internet Mail Extensions structure. Since the file is simple text, its integrity relies on having the correct MIME boundary definitions for parsing attachments. It is easily opened by any text editor, but is best viewed in an email client like Microsoft Outlook Express. Microsoft Outlook Express from Microsoft Corporation offers a certified solution for the EML file type. Windows displays only generic icons, indicating a need for specialized software. Windows may recognize the email file, but full functionality requires a dedicated email program. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the EML file and select Open With. Test Microsoft Outlook Express if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the EML format uniquely. If your EML file still refuses to open, stay calm. Alright, the simple solution is out. We need to isolate the issue with the EML file. Move on to these essential troubleshooting measures right away. First, use an email client. Open the file using any standard email client such as Outlook, Thunderbird, or Apple Mail. Next, open with Text Editor. Open the EML file with a text editor, Notepad, to view the message body and header information, especially useful if the file is corrupted. Finally, import into Webmail. Use a third-party tool to import the EML file into a webmail service like Gmail or Yahoo to view it in a browser interface. If your system can't interpret the file header of an EML file, only deep-level parsing software will succeed. That's the next recommended move to try. I recommend switching to the FileMagick Universal Reader. It solves nearly every EML file issue with one click. Get it at filemagick.com. If you're happy with the result, hit the like and subscribe buttons quickly. Subscribe for what's coming up next.